Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Then click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. After that, you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then click at the three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust the wallpaper however you want to, and when you're done, just click at the top right corner over here. Now tap on the bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper. After that, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!